Buongiorno a tutti, welcome back everybody. Today we're gonna do the crostata, Italian jam pie, Italian tart. There is a lot of name. In Italian it's called crostata. First of all, let's prepare our sweet paste. First of all, we're gonna mix the flour with the butter until it's gonna become crumbling. So as you can see, it's very crumbling. So this is gonna help us to create a structure and a texture of our sweet pastry. And let's add the icing sugar now. After we dissolve our icing sugar, we can add our eggs. So here I use icing sugar because I want a fine texture, but you can use even custard sugar, it's fine. Our sweet pastry is done, so now we can put in a cling film and put it to rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Personally, I prefer to put it to rest not less than 12. Once our dough is rest in the fridge, so now we can start to do our Italian crostata. After we roll out our dough at 5 mm ish, we're gonna line in the tray. Once we line up our crostata, so now we're gonna fill them up with pastry cream, with jam, with Nutella, with any filling that you like. So today I'm gonna do with this strawberry jam that is made homemade from my sister, and we're gonna put the dough in the fridge. This one we're gonna need later for the stripes.
When you use the spatula, use the top to spread your mix and flat to level up.
So once we filled up our crostata, we're gonna prepare the stripes. So stripes are really important. People think I'm not a pastry chef, so I can put not straight or I can put decorative stars or things like that. But it's not true, because it's gonna help us to spread the heat equally.
The best way to put the stripes on your crostata is to start from the center. After the central stripe, we go on the right and we divided our crostata in half again. And let's complete our right side, putting the stripes close to the edge. And now let's complete the left side in the same way. So we start from the half and we complete with the last stripes close to the edge. That's it. So now let's turn our crostata of 45 degrees and let's complete the top layer in the same way. So we start from the center and again we put the other stripes on the half. Let's try to make it side by side in the regular way to create some rhombus in exactly the same way that we did the other layer. If the dough is not enough, don't worry, just reflat them again, but try to don't warm it up too much. And let's complete our gem pie. Don't lose the focus, side by side, stripe by stripe, and creating our perfect rhombus. And finally our last stripe. Let's push the side to make all our crostata to the same level.
Our crostata or gem tart is ready and we can bake it at 170 degrees for about 40 minutes. In the meantime, while you wait in the oven to be ready, we can do some biscuit with the leftover. So once we baked our crostata, our gem tart, our gem pie, I want to call it, can be eaten. So guys, if you like my video, push my small face, little face, round face, I don't know how to call it. And you can find my other recipe over here. So give us a like, comment, and let me know what you think.